लोढ़ा मैथमेटिकल साइंसेस इंस्टीट्यूट आज से शुरू होगा। इसको हेड माननीय डॉक्टर कुमार मूर्ति करेंगे। इंटेंट ये है कि हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी का रिसर्च जो टॉप इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ग्लोबली होता है वो अब भारत में भी हो।
An institution like this is going to be extremely important, like a game changer almost in Indian mathematics.
Shri Ashish Singh.
This will help India build its foundation of basic research.
On all of these goals, which will culminate into achieving the goal of Viksit. Shri Abhishek Lodha, Trust. Shri Ashish Singh. Dr. V. Kumar Murthy, Founding Director, Lodha Mathematical Sciences Institute, former Director, Fields Institute.
भारत की प्रगति के लिए सभी नागरिकों को मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूशन करना अनिवार्य है और इसके हेतु हमारी फैमिली ने पिछले साल करीबन 20,000 करोड़ के शेयर्स लोढ़ा फाउंडेशन को ट्रांसफर किए। उसमें आगे बढ़ते हुए आज हमें बेहद खुशी है कि लोढ़ा मैथमेटिकल साइंसेस इंस्टीट्यूट आज से शुरू होगा। इसको हेड माननीय डॉक्टर कुमार मूर्ति करेंगे, जो इसके पहले फील्ड्स इंस्टीट्यूट के डायरेक्टर थे, और कई अधिक गणमान्य व्यक्ति इसमें हिस्सा लेंगे, भाग लेंगे। इसके इंटेंट ये है कि हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी का रिसर्च जो टॉप इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ग्लोबली होता है वो अब भारत में भी हो। अच्छे से अच्छे माइंड्स, भारतीय और विदेशी दोनों ही भारत में आकर अच्छी डीप मैथमेटिकल थिंकिंग करें, क्योंकि गणित या मैथमेटिक्स सभी चीज़ों के बेस में है और भारत में गणित का बहुत मान भी है और बहुत बड़ी परंपरा भी है। और इसको फिर से प्रज्वलित करने के लिए और भारत 21वीं सदी में अपना राइटफुल प्लेस ले सके, इस एफर्ट के साथ में लोढ़ा फाउंडेशन इस इंस्टीट्यूट को आज शुरू कर रहा है।
I think it is a very important thing because it sort of crystallizes a lot of forces that are at play. It sort of brings together movements that are happening in mathematical innovation and then focuses and channelizes them in such a way that they become more effective and more creative. So I think an institution like this is going to be extremely important, like a game changer almost in Indian mathematics.
Certainly mathematics is not that kind of a science where people believe that it should be a topic of research. So how important is to change the perception nowadays?
That's a very important thing because I don't think prosperity in India is going to become widespread unless there is a lot of innovation, and the engine of innovation is mathematics. If you look at all the innovative developments that have been taking place in the recent past, actually more than the recent past, math is at the root of it. So when people are strong in math, people understand math and comfortable with math, then you will find many more innovations coming about, and those innovations will be inclusive. They'll lead to inclusive prosperity, not a localization of prosperity, but an inclusive prosperity. The goal is to be very innovative and to push the frontiers of knowledge in mathematics, and both in fundamental research and in terms of applications. How is it going to happen? Well, that's an interesting thing. It's not like, let's say, I want to build a building. I get an architect, I draw the plans, and then I know exactly what to do step by step, and the building is built. This is more like something organic, something living, maybe like planting a tree or raising a child. And so we know from a lot of experience around the world the things that tend to make it work. Namely, you bring people together, you encourage them, you give them opportunity, you let them talk unobstructedly, and magic happens. This is our experience from many institutes around the world.
Lighting the ceremonial lamp, we're requested to kindly remain on stage for a quick photo. May I request Shri Abhishek Lodha to please stay back on stage. A visionary leader whose commitment to excellence has shaped not just skylines but futures. Please.
5th सेंचुरी में आर्यभट्ट ने दुनिया को जीरो दिया था, और अब यहाँ पर डॉक्टर मंजुल जो कि उसी लाइन के, उसी कैलिबर के एक वर्ल्ड लेवल के मैथमेटिशियन हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ ज्वाइंट हुए. वी कैन सी द क्या इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का फ्यूचर होने वाला है. आज तक हमने बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट किए हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के अंदर, मशीनरी के अंदर, पर लोगों में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना ताकि लोग आगे जाकर देश को आगे लेके जाएंगे, यह एक छोटी सी शुरुआत है. All the best for this.
There are a number of world-class institutions in other countries. The Institute for Advanced Study, for example, in Princeton, or the Max Planck Institute in Germany. So they attract the best mathematics talent around the world, and they cultivate that talent there. And of course, it benefits their countries the most. Of course, it benefits everybody, but it benefits their countries. In India, there's so much talent in mathematics, young talent in mathematics. And if that talent is to be cultivated, most of those young talents, they think that they have to go abroad. There really aren't that many options in India. So one of the goals of this institute is to start an ecosystem where Indians, young talented Indians, feel that in mathematics they feel like they can actually stay in India and have that mathematics cultivated. And so this will help India build its foundation of basic research, which can then be used for applications. At the moment, India imports most of its basic research from outside. But then, of course, all the patents they're using are those of people abroad. This will help build India's basic foundation in research and cultivate India's talent within India.